Hey guys, we're doing the teams for the half-case contenders random team break. It's 5:48 PM Melbourne time. The random is live to participants first. 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Copy and teams now. Nope, we don't do snake eyes. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Random. It's complete. And the teams are Adam Ferreira Pacers, Garth Manning Wizards, Adam Carter Jazz, Brendan Lakers, Heath Kingham Warriors, Alex Stewart Knicks, Brendan Magic, Albie Chin Clippers, Lindsay Williams Sixers, John Deegan Nuggets, Albie Chin Bucks, Glenn Jackson Rockets, Aaron Spence Spurs, John Deegan Pistons and Kings, Heath Kingham Wolves, Garth Manning Thunder, Jeffrey Elliott Heat, Kiwi with the Bulls, Brendan Hornets, Christo Hill Suns, Brendan Nets, Glenn Jackson Mavericks, Alex Stewart Raptors, Heath Kingham Cavs, Brendan Pelicans, Simon Barr Blazers, Adam Carter Celtics, Brendan Grizzlies Hawks. So that's the teams.